Your Delta Touch2O Smart Kitchen Faucet is more powerful than you think. With touch and touchless technology, it's built for speed, hygiene, and convenience. In this guide, we'll break down exactly how it works and how to fine-tune the settings for the best experience. Step 1. Basic Operate. This faucet can be used like a regular faucet with the handle. You can turn it on and off using the handle at any time, which is helpful if someone is unfamiliar with touch or touchless features. The handle position also controls the water temperature. Whatever temperature the handle is set to will be the same temperature the next time the faucet turns on using touch or touchless mode. Step 2. Touch and touchless use. Touchless mode. To turn the faucet on, place your hand within 4 inches under the spout. Do not wave, pause briefly under the spout. To turn it off, place your hand underneath the spout again. The faucet responds best when your hand is directly under the spout. Touch mode. To use touch technology, tap the faucet briefly, like tapping a keyboard key. You can tap using your finger, wrist, elbow, or hand. You can touch almost anywhere on the faucet: spout, body, handle. The faucet will not sense touch on the wand, the black base at the bottom. The faucet is smart enough to recognize the difference between a tap and the grab, so you can adjust the handle without turning the water on or off. Dishwashing gloves also work. Use your palm or 4 fingers for best results. Step 3. Sensitivity settings. This faucet has 3 sensitivity modes: high sensitivity, low sensitivity, off. The correct sensitivity depends on your sink and countertop material. Refer to the user guide included in the box for recommendations. By default, the faucet is set to high sensitivity. Before changing modes, make sure the handle is in the off position. To switch to low sensitivity, hold the base for 6 seconds until it flashes purple. To turn the touch feature off, hold the base again for 6 seconds until it flashes red. To return to high sensitivity, hold the base for 6 seconds until it flashes blue. We hope this guide helped you understand how to use and adjust your Touch2O faucet. If you still experience issues, refer to the instruction manual or contact Delta Faucet customer service. They're always happy to help.